terms of the infrastructure that you're talking about and the idea that when, the New York subway system was christened 108 years ago and the George Washington Bridge was dedicated in 1931, we were not thinking about a world in which the banks of the rivers that straddled New York City came up over those banks. We weren't thinking of a world with frequent extreme weather. Does there need to be a major rethink, a major reimagining of the infrastructure that makes New York City possible?
Look, I think my answer is definitely yes. I don't accept anymore, Rachel, that, this is once in a lifetime. I said to the president the other day, half kidding, I said, we now have 100-year floods every 2 years. So there's the explanations of this is a fluke and it's gone and that's it. I don't believe it. There is a frequency in these extreme weather conditions. It's getting worse. It's getting worse all over the globe. It's getting worse in this country. And I think we have to accept the reality. This is a very expensive disruption. This is going to be in the billions of dollars. And you are exactly right. When this city was designed, we did not anticipate this problem because we didn't have this problem when this city was designed. And now you take our greatest strength, which is New York's coastal environment. That's what made New York, New York, right? New York Harbor, Hudson River, to the Erie Canal, and you were out west. That was New York. What made Manhattan, Manhattan was the underground infrastructure, that engineering marvel. Once you now say, well, that can flood, and you can't even find a way to pump out the water, you take the greatest asset and you make it a liability. And it's a frightening premise to deal with, And I think that's one of the reasons why denial is so much easier. Because once you say, yes, extreme weather is here to stay, we have to redesign this environment. Well, that's a big undertaking, and it is threatening to many. But I think that's where we are.
Can New York City